Ever felt like your bank is stuck in the Stone Age? Paper statements, endless hold times, and limited branch hours? Yeah, me too. That's why I'm always on the lookout for innovative banking solutions. Today's question, is Ally a mobile bank? Context building, 010 to 040. Ally Bank might not be the first name that pops into your head when you think mobile bank, but let me tell you, they're a hidden gem. They started as an online bank back in the early 2000s, way ahead of the curve, and have built a reputation for being user-friendly and tech-savvy. But with so many mobile banking apps out there, can Ally truly compete? Let's dive in and see if Ally offers the kind of mobile banking experience that will ditch the frustration and get you excited about managing your money. Mobile banking features, 040 to 130. First things first, Ally absolutely has a mobile app, available for free on both iOS and Android devices. It boasts a sleek, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even for those who aren't the most tech-comfortable. Here's where things get exciting. Account management. From the palm of your hand, you can check your checking, savings, and investment account balances in real time. No more waiting for snail mail statements. Need a transaction history? Boom, it's right there at your fingertips. Deposits. Say goodbye to trips to the ATM or waiting in line at the bank. Ally's mobile app lets you deposit checks easily using your phone's camera. Snap a pic of the front and back, and the funds are electronically added to your account. It's that simple. Payments. Whether you're paying rent, bills, or splitting a dinner with friends, Ally's got you covered. Their mobile app allows you to send and receive money quickly and securely using Zelle or transfer funds between your Ally accounts. Bill Pay. Never miss a due date again. Ally's Bill Pay feature lets you schedule and pay your bills electronically, all within the app. This is a lifesaver for anyone who hates the hassle of writing checks and remembering to mail them on time. Security and reliability, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Security is obviously a top concern when it comes to mobile banking. Ally understands this and has implemented a robust security system to protect your financial information. They use multi-factor authentication and industry-standard encryption to keep your data safe. Plus, Ally is a member of the FDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor. So you can bank with confidence knowing your money is protected. Beyond the basics, Ally's mobile app perks, 2 to 245. Ally's mobile app goes beyond just the basic features you'd expect. Here are some additional perks that make it stand out. Mobile banking alerts. Customize alerts to receive notifications for low account balances, transfers, and even ATM withdrawals. This way you can stay on top of your finances and identify any suspicious activity immediately. Mobile wallet. Add your Ally debit card to your mobile wallet for quick and contactless payments at stores and restaurants that accept digital payments. Financial tools. Ally's app offers a suite of financial tools to help you manage your money better. This includes budgeting tools, financial calculators, and even educational resources to help you make informed financial decisions. Ally versus traditional banks, the mobile advantage, 245 to 315. Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly been known for their cutting-edge mobile banking experiences. Often, their apps are clunky, outdated, and lack the features that today's mobile-first generation expects. Ally, on the other hand, has embraced the mobile revolution. Their app is constantly being updated with new features and functionality, ensuring you have the tools you need to manage your money on the go. Is Ally right for you? 315 to 345. If you're looking for a mobile-first bank that offers a user-friendly app with all the features you need to manage your finances effectively, then Ally is definitely worth considering. They don't have physical branches, but with their mobile app, who needs them? You can bank from anywhere, anytime, with just a few taps on your phone.